I bought myself early Christmas gift. I choose Scorpion EXO-R1 Air Supra helmet. So you can see what we have inside the box. We have helmet safety manual. This helmet came with two visors, clean and smoked one. I'm always riding my bikes with dark or smoked visors, so that's really good. Don't have to buy it separate, spend my money. It was already came in a box. As well, we have pin lock, just to put on visor to make your helmet not foggy. And we have a helmet. I choose this color scheme because I already have red and green helmets, so wanted something different. And as you can see in my background, it's nearly matching my bike. I have white, black and blue colors, except this yellow. It's still okay, don't have to match everything perfectly. I choose carbon version, so it's lighter than normal helmet, strong as well. It weighs only 1.3 kilogram. This helmet comes with emergency cheek pad removal feature, so just in case of accident, you can remove the helmet without damaging your head, neck or spine. So we have double D strap, which is strong and secure. That's why most brands using this kind of strap. As well, if your helmet is slightly too loose or come too loose in time, we have a pump to inflate cheek pads to have better fit. So with this feature, your helmet always be right size, never gonna be too loose for you. And we have a button to release that air. Comes pretty standard ventilations, one on front, one on top. That's how it looks. I can't really test it now because, as you can see, it's nearly Christmas time. I have snow outside, so I have to wait a few more months for sunny days. For this helmet, I just need to swap visor, add my intercom, and put chin mount for my GoPro, and I will be ready to go. I don't think I will be disappointed with this helmet because that's not my first Scorpion helmet. Never had any issues. I really like this brand. For me, fits best for my head. Tried different helmets, but for my head, I think this is the best one. And the design looks nice as well.